look at this Mark 1 Series 1 RS Turbo. Well, it's basically a shell, and you can see it's been here for quite a while. There's trees growing through the front panel here. I think this one's going to need a bit more than a weekend's work. As you can see, the bulkhead is completely rotted out. It's falling into the floor now. I can't get all the way around this, but I'll try and show you as much as I can. If you can see there, the trees are growing through the back of it. There's part of a body kit there inside. Let's go around the back and have a look and see what we can see there. Okay, I've made it round the other side. As you can see, the trees and twigs are growing through this thing. Whole new min into a hatchback there. It's folded right back against the roof. This Series 1 RS Turbo, do you think this can be saved? I'll show you as much as we can here, guys. It's a bit of a jungle. As you can see, the back panel's completely rotted out of it as well. It's falling into the ground. There are some parts inside there. The owners give us permission to film these today. So this is part one of a few different vehicles if you want to keep an eye on the channel.
Let's just have a look where that tailgate fastens on that roof channel there. It's completely rotten. Now there's a little view of the offside. I'm going to try and get down. It's difficult to get down here, but we'll see what we can do. I'll show you what I can. And just have a little look there down the offside of the wing area. The scuttle's rotted out. Now this is a sort of a funny angle, but it's the best angle I can get. Just showing you across into the roof there, through the screen area, down through the offside door. I can't really say much more, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. See you soon.